Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 1722 Windows installer package error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start or restart if it is already started. The next solution is to re-register the service. So we have two commands for this. I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.